Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to set up your Bell Wi-Fi pods, or it's not working, then you can use the troubleshooting tips available on this video. Let's start. To install the Bell Wi-Fi pods, first search for Bell Wi-Fi in the App Store or Google Play Store for your mobile device. After finding, download and install the Bell Wi-Fi app. Open the Bell Wi-Fi app on your mobile and log in using your MyBell username and password. Here, you need to enable the Bluetooth on your mobile device. Because the Bell Wi-Fi app uses Bluetooth to communicate with the pods during setup. Now, plug your pod in a power outlet. Then keep your mobile device near the Bell Wi-Fi pod. The app will confirm when it's connected. To add more pods in the network, then you need to plug other pods near the main Bell Wi-Fi pod. Then in the Bell Wi-Fi app, touch the menu icon. Here, scroll down to the access points section, and then touch Add a Pod option. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to add your pod. The Bell Wi-Fi pod setup process is completed. If you are unable to configure the Bell Wi-Fi pods, then you can reach us for technical assistance. Thanks for watching.